Hello and welcome to Theory Masters Learning, your ultimate guide for CA Foundation and CA Inter Law. Most of the students while studying law complain that they are not able to remember the provisions properly, sections, limits, penalties. The syllabus is also very vast. When they study one chapter, they are able to understand and remember everything perfectly. But as they move to the second or third chapter, they forget whatever they have studied till then. Is this your story too? What if I say that I have a solution for your problem? What if I say that it is possible to revise and cover everything in just 33 pages? Yes, you heard me right. It is possible to revise, to study, and remember all the important concept by studying just 33 pages. This is possible through my chart book for CA Intercorporate and other laws. These charts cover all the acts of your syllabus. These compact notes can be used not only for last minute revision, that is 1.5 day before the exam, but they can also be used while you prepare for the main exam. So, how should you use these charts? First, read the charts from the chart book. Once you know the keywords, the important provisions, the section number, the limits, it will be very easy and simple for you to remember the main provision when you read it from either the module or from our textbook. Once you know the keywords, the important provisions, you can easily elaborate that in the main exam. This will help you to score excellent marks in the subject because you have written what the examiner wants. So this chart book will simplify the concept. It will help you to identify the keywords, the important provisions as are required to be written in the examination. Colorful charts will help you for better grasping and it will also aid in better retention. If you have a larger study area, then you can paste these charts around your study table. Look at them every day because these pictorial representation will help you to remember the provisions till the main exam. If you have a smaller study area, you need not worry. Paste the chart of the chapter that you are studying on a particular day. First, study from the chart book. Memorize all the keywords, the important provisions, section number, limits. Then read these provisions from your main law book. You will now understand everything better. After you finish studying a chapter, you can change the chart of the next chapter that you study. The perforation in this book will help you to tear the chart papers very easily and paste them on your study table. We have taken a lot of care in designing this book. The charts are concise, precise, yet they contain all the important details of the concepts important for exam. To order a copy of your chart book, visit my website theorymasterslearning.com. You can either directly click on the Order Now button on the slider or go to the book section, select CA Inter, and you will be able to see all the CA Inter books provided by Theory Masters Learning. We have a main book for corporate and other laws. It covers all the theory and questions relevant for your examination. We have the CA Inter Law Compiler. It's a detailed question bank containing all study material, past exam questions, RTP, MTB questions arranged unit wise. You can purchase these notes either in the soft copy or the hard copy mode. To buy your chart book, select the chart book image, add the product to cart, click on checkout, fill in your details. You can choose any of these payment gateways. You can pay through Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, UPI, net banking, credit card, or any mode of your choice. After you fill these details, you can place the order and a hard copy of the book will be delivered to your registered address. You will also receive the tracking code via email. All our books are dispatched through our courier partner delivery, which provides express and quick delivery to all the locations in India. In case you have any other query, you can visit my website theorymasterslearning.com or contact me on the number given on the website.